How do you come out from your broke state? If you are there struggling with money, or if you have been broke for a long time and you're wondering, how do I really come out of from being broke? There are some steps that people have been talking about, or people have been implementing, and I myself have been implementing, so that I can come out from my broke state. And I hope these steps will actually help you also to come out from your broke state. One of the ways that you can actually come out from your broke state, number one, is accept but don't appreciate. When you're talking about accept, many people accept that, yes, I don't have money, but they're really not doing anything about it. So one of the things that you have really to accept, that you are broke, and don't be in denial. If you're broke, you're broke. Don't be in denial. But after you have accepted yourself, do not just stay there. Do something about it. And what do we mean by do something about it? Maybe look for a job opportunities. Maybe try to get advice on how to really start a business. Just don't stay there. Just accept that you're broke, but do not appreciate. Do not only say, I'm always broke. That is my life. Just conform to this. Do not appreciate. Then number two, one of the other steps that you should do to come out from your broke state, number two, is look around for any opportunity, that is any job that is arising. If someone offers you a job of cleaning, just take it. If someone offers you a job of washing dishes, if someone offers you a job of washing dishes, just do it. Do not be choosy on the type of job that you're doing, because this is the same job that will transform you and move you to the next level, that you can, once you start getting this money, no matter how much small it is, this money is the one that will start or will help you to become stable. And then that is where you can start now looking for other bigger jobs or other bigger opportunities. So just start small. Do not start being proud and saying that, oh, I can't do such kind of a job. And this applies also to ladies. If you're a lady and someone offers you a job of cleaning clothes, do not say that, oh, it's going to ruin my nails. No, just do the job. This is the job that will give you stability. This is something that will push you to the next level. Then number three, the next steps that you're supposed to do after you have looked for an opportunity, of maybe started a small job, a side hustle, maybe you're selling tea, you're selling mandazis. The next thing you're supposed to do is move out of your comfort zone. And what do we mean by move out of your comfort zone? This is where now we advise people to go and get skills. Get skills in a particular job. And you find that these skills you can actually start by taking online courses. We have platforms that are offering free courses, and sometimes they're even online. Do these courses. Make sure that you're becoming good at a particular item, and this is the item or the job or these skills that you will gain are the ones that will land you a job. So as you're hustling, as you're doing your side gig, maybe let's say we have said that you can be selling tea. As you're selling tea, make sure in the evening you're just buying data and you're reading online, you're taking a course online, getting skills in a specific area, and you're constantly trying to learn more about these skills, so that, because this is the same skill that will land you a job. Then number four is exercise the skill you have learned and monetize it. Once you have already started doing the side hustle, you have gone for online classes, or maybe you have talked to someone who can be, maybe in the evening you can be volunteering at a place and getting skills. Maybe let's say in hairdressing, you have volunteered at a salon and you're getting the skills of braiding or maybe doing makeup. Now these skills, start exercising them, and then you start monetizing them. And we have talked about, even if it's makeup, you went and did an online course on makeup or maybe on masonry, go and volunteer at a place, and then start taking or recording videos of you doing that work and posting them. And that is where once you start posting them, people in TikTok, people in LinkedIn, people in YouTube, Instagram, they will start noticing your work, and that is where you start getting your clients. So those are the 5 steps of coming out from your broke state. We have said number 1 is accept but not appreciate. Number 2, look around for any opportunity. Number 3, move out of your comfort zone and get skills. Then number 4 is exercise the skills you have learned and then monetize it. I hope you have learned a thing or two. If you have learned something, leave it in the comment section and I'll be sure to read it out. Make sure at the end of this video you like, comment, subscribe, share. hit on the notification button so that every time I upload a new video, you can always be notified. If you're interested in learning or getting skills, we have said that you should come out of your comfort zone. If you're interested in learning skills, you can actually enroll for online courses at Finstock Evarsity College. Visit their website at www.finstockevarsity.com or call them at 0703 313 722 or send them an email at info@finstockevarsity.com. Until next time, goodbye.